This video, I'm going to show you how to add a title to a chart in Excel. Notice that if I come up and highlight the chart here, I'll go up to the Chart Tools format and notice that there is a chart title listed there. So I can select that. In my experience, it is better to insert your title in a different way rather than relying on the default chart title. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this and I will, since it's highlighted, I'm going to hit delete. That chart title is now gone. Notice that it pushed the graph up to the top. Now I'll come over here since I have notice the chart area is the largest area. If I come down to plot area, notice that picks on the inside. So I'm going to grab this thing. I'm just going to pull this down some, kind of like that. That gives me now some blank space to add a title. So the second thing I'm going to do, also from this menu, notice there's insert shapes, and one of the shapes is a text box. So I'm going to click on that, come back down to the chart, and notice I have this little sword. If I just grab this, I'll have a text box, and then I can type my title in there. (1789 to 2024). So there you go. I have my title now. If I come up to Format, sorry, I come up to this, I'm going to highlight that. Notice I'm not editing the chart anymore. I'm editing something that I've inserted into the chart. So I have this drawing tool thing, but what I want to do with this is now I can easily change the font. I'll change it to Arial. I'm going to make it bigger though. I'll make it 12 and I'll make it bold. Notice that it's not looking right at the moment. A little of that is spilling out and I can't see it. So I'm going to come up to, again, this format thing and the width. I know that I can hit this and it'll make the width larger. Notice it's all the way to the right side of the graph. If I hit it one more time, it is now exactly the size of the graph. So I have my title now, and it's very easy for me to manipulate the fonts there. But one of the primary reasons that I prefer to insert chart titles this way is that it is incredibly easy to add subtitles. So I'm at the end of the first line here, and I'll press enter, and I'll just say this is my subtitle. And I'm going to highlight that, come back up here. I'm going to make it a smaller font. I'll make it 11. I'll take the bold off and need to make my box a little bit bigger. So I'll come up to this and I'll change it from 0.45 to 5, and now you can see my subtitle. So that's, like I said, that's one of the primary reasons that I do titles with text boxes rather than the chart title. It gives me a lot more control over the thing that I am inserting.